Hi, this tutorial is about creating an article using an article editor in our website. I will be creating 4 separate videos to discuss each of the topics: create an article, prepare article text, commonly used formatting tools, and saving an article. So first thing you have to do is, once you have signed into a website like I am here, you need to create an article. Clicking on that link in the menu will take you to the article editor, which consists of course of separate areas. You have a content area, publishing area, language area, and a metadata area. We are in this video going to be concerned with the content area mostly. In this first video we will discuss creating an article. We will discuss the title, the categories, and the article body. In the content tab you have a field where you will have to type in the title for your article. You do not have to do anything about the alias for that article. It will be auto-generated. And then you have the text area where you can type the body of your article. I will just grab some random text to put into the article. What I have done is I have used that document, the text that has been highlighted, just random text, and I've copied it onto my clipboard. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it into my article. I've got a few tools I can use for that. Paste as plain text, or paste from Word. I'm going to use paste from plain text. It provides me with a input box to paste my plain text into from my clipboard. It tells me that I should press down the Control and the V key. So I'm pressing down Control, and while I hold it down I press the V key, and it will paste my text from my clipboard into that text area. I now click on OK, and that will place the text in my text editor. That is how simple it is to create an article. Of course, for any article you have to have a title. No article can be saved without a title. So I'm going to use just some random text from this document. I will press Ctrl C to copy it onto my clipboard, and I'll press Ctrl V just to paste it into the title area. And there you have the article. If I would hit the save button now, click on that save button, then this article will be saved. But we're not going to do that just yet, because we also have to talk a little bit about the categories and the article body copy and paste we've already covered. So let us quickly talk about categories for a minute. Every article must have a category. The category determines on which page of the website the article will appear. The category that you have to associate with this article will be found under the Publishing tab. So if I click on the Publishing tab, you will notice that there we have the category field, and this asterisk next to it indicates that this field is absolutely mandatory. It always defaults to uncategorized, because you can have an article that is uncategorized, but if we wanted to appear on a specific page, and in this case let's say we wanted to appear on the news page, we want to make the article that we create appear on the news page, we have to click on news. So if we change the category to news, it will automatically appear under the news page. There are various other fields that are of interest, but we will not talk about that in this video. So if I go back to the Content tab, and my article is now ready, I can click on Save Now and the article will be saved. Of course, this article is not properly formatted yet, but that will be for another video. Thanks for watching.